How to change Uber Eats bicycle to motorcycle. Now what we want to do is just load up Safari on our phone, and I've just Google searched for change Uber Eats vehicle here. Now we want to press on the first link that pops up, and from here it's going to ask you to log in into your account if you haven't already been logged in. What we want to do is simply scroll down, and here you will see an option called if you want to update the vehicle info on your current delivery mode, please check the pages below. So if you wish to change your delivery mode, like I said, here we will change it. So we are going to choose a motorcycle. So for this, if we're going from bike to motorcycle, we will just toggle motorbike here, and we will need to input the maker, the model, and the year, as well as our license plate. Now, what's more, we will need to supply a photo of our license plate, just one photo. And if we have successfully input all of this information, we can type I agree here and submit it. If we press on submit, this is going to change our delivery type from bicycle to motorcycle on Uber Eats. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.